Hello lovelies, I'm here with another video, and as you can see I have fresh turmeric root here with me. We are going to make turmeric oil out of this root. I'm done washing it and I went ahead to paper dry the excess water. Turmeric has a lot of health benefits and the oil can be used on skin and hair. For easy blending, I'm going to chop up the roots in small pieces. As you can see me doing, I'm cutting it into small pieces for easy blending. Turmeric fights free radicals and boosts antioxidants. It also evens and lightens skin tone. It repairs the skin, fade out acne scars and hyperpigmentation, leaving your skin smooth, clear and supple. Turmeric oil can also be used on the hair. It heals scalp issues and stimulates hair growth. Over here, I'm done cutting the turmeric root, so I'll transfer it into my blender. As you can see me doing, okay? Then I'll add olive oil to it for easy blending. Instead of water, I'm blending with oil. You can choose to use any type of oil of your choice, okay? So I'm using olive oil, then I'll go ahead and blend it smoothly. Talking about more benefits of turmeric oil, it's an antibacterial agent. It can be used as anti-aging oil, okay? It can be used as facial hair control oil, okay? Over here you can see I'm done blending, so I transfer it into a pot. I'm going to cook this on a medium heat to extract the benefits of the turmeric root into the oil. I went ahead to add more oil, as you can see, okay? So now let's talk about more benefits of turmeric. It improves skin elasticity, it lightens pigmentation, it controls dandruff and hair loss. Yes, it controls dandruff and hair loss. It controls oily skin. It lightens stretch marks and so on and so forth. It cures acne. Okay, you can see my turmeric oil is ready and it's time to sieve it out. I'm going to use this paper towel to double sieve it. Make sure there's no particle in the oil. Everything comes out, okay? So that's what I'm doing now. I'm going to separate the oil from the shaft. My organic turmeric oil is ready to be used on hair and skin. Thank you for watching. Till I come your way next time, stay blessed and bye.